Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to connect GO2bank to Zelle. And well, this process is pretty simple. To connect GO2bank to Zelle, all we need to do is link our bank, and obviously if our bank supports Zelle, then it will already be connected to Zelle. So here's what we're going to do. We go to the GO2bank website and click on Login. When we're about to log in, here we'll enter our username and password. We log in, and here we're going to click here on this panel on the right. We're going to look on the left, sorry. We're going to look for bank transfers. And then we're going to click on link a new account. Here, when we link a new account, we're going to click this button. And here, well, it's going to ask us to choose the bank and all those steps that we need to follow. So at this point, we carefully click on the continue button. We then proceed to choose the appropriate bank from the available options, and subsequently, we accurately enter the required username and the corresponding password specifically for that particular bank. Following this, we simply and clearly enter the necessary information to send a message or an email, and finally we click the continue button to proceed, okay? So here we click OK. We check everything it asks us for here, and that's it. That's it. It's really quite simple. If this video helped you, please leave a comment and subscribe.